Well, now our scripture reading for today is in the book of Exodus chapter 14 verse 10, 13 and 21, and it reads as follows. As Pharaoh approached, the Israelites looked up, and there were the Egyptians marching after them. They were terrified and cried out to the Lord. 13, Moses answered to the people, "Do not be afraid, stand firm, and you will see the deliverance the Lord will bring to you today. The Egyptians that you see today, you shall see no more." 21, then Moses stretched out his hand over the sea, and all that night the Lord drove the sea back with a strong east wind and turned it into dry land. The waters were divided. Here there came a strong wind which divided everything. There is a strong wind here. That's why they are not being stable. There's a strong wind from God that is about to divide the land. There's a strong wind from God that is about to move your enemies. There is a strong wind from God that those who are not rooted in him shall be blown away. So Israel and but chapter 4 verse 8, here we are hard pressed on every side but not crushed, perplexed but not in despair, persecuted but not abandoned, struck down but not destroyed. You will feel the pressure, but in this pressure you need to understand, or you are being squeezed, so all the juice that's in you are being tested and tried, so all the juice in you, we can taste it. That's when you start to see rank crash and triumph, or put up pressure on this lemon. The juice comes out. Greater is he, the juice that's in the lemon, than the covering out of the lemon and the harsh conditions out of the lemon. Those harsh conditions shouldn't stop you, because God is about to deliver you, because God is about to say the barrenness that you've been seeing, you shall see no more. The unemployment, the poverty, say so, you shall see no more. You shall see no more. Now and again, you shall see no more. That's why Besalume 1:1. Everyone about Israel, Bakilebele Jamato, Bakibona by Echabeta, Ubotanjaba Lebele Jamato, Abrinadi Trababy, Tuso Yabrina Dogo, Morena, Besalume 1:1. Here he will not let our foot slip. Here he Nagamale Israel, Hazeli Arobali. Gua 6. If the sun shall not smite you by day, nor the moon by night, no wind will blow you, no drought will kill you, no snow will kill you, nothing, no flood will sweep you, because when our morena utepejuya na kesina dasali olimoga momaba gikoshia mabadi. Hey, we la dregu Absalom 91 verse 11. For he will command his angel concerning you to guide you in all your ways. Bona, you can't keep postponing all your dreams. You can't keep procrastinate. Corona, I can't do this. Corona, hey, you still need to eat. The sun still shines. The rain, hey, the grass is still green. Corona, you cannot postpone your dreams. Remember Genesis chapter 1 verse 26. Mudimu, the first thing create before I got let there be life, before I got breathe into a human, or we are creating a human in our own image, so that he may rule over your situation, stand over your situation, tell it and command it, where enough is enough. Greater is he that is in me than the one that is in the world. So Moses made a bronze snake and put it in a pole. Then when anyone was bitten by a snake and looked at the bronze snake, they lived. You look at the bronze snake, ukumana tuso eluru ulumiri belelu na girlebele jamato how ujawof or tuso yawe gwana more in every situation. Girl dreams jaw as okruwa the water broke. The water has broke. You must deliver. You must give birth to your blessings. This planning phase, if the August no pillar, plan it if the action. Also, I can't.